Are you all fine? Yes, I hope you are all doing well and enjoying our PSRR Buddy online classes and learning many things from our PSRR Buddy online classes. Dear students, you know, in previous video we have entered into a new lesson, that is the boy and the catapult, and also we have discussed about face sheet of the boy and the catapult, and we have discussed many things, and we have talked about this picture that children are feeding to the birds and letting them free from cage. And also we came to know that we have to love the birds. Okay. Today we are going to learn new lesson. In this lesson, you will be able to learn following things. Okay. Be ready. All of you, please open your textbooks. In this lesson, students will be able to listen, read and understand the story, respond to the picture, read and write new words and sentences, answer some questions, use the new words and sentences in daily life conversation. Dear children, before going to start the lesson, we will talk about this picture. All of you, please look at this picture. Children, what do you see in the picture? Yes, a house, boy with catapult, birds and trees. Very good. What is the place you see in the picture? There is only one house in the place. So it is end of the village. Maybe it is outskirts of the city. What is the boy doing in this picture? Aiming at the bird with his catapult. Okay children, let's read the lesson now. All of you, please open your textbooks, page number 87, and please pay attention. Children, let us read the lesson now. All of you, please open your textbooks, page number 87. Okay? Please pay attention while I am reading. Okay? Please concentrate. The boy and the catapult. The oddest fellow in my class was Bodhraj. He always had a catapult in his hand. He was an excellent shooter. He would stand under a tree, take aim and shoot a pebble from the catapult. The next moment a bird would fall down. I lived with my parents in an old bungalow on the outskirts of the city. Being far from the city, my friends rarely came to visit me, but Bodhraj found it a good place to hunt. Behind the house there was a godown. This room had become a regular place of visit for birds. We hear their cooing all day. The next time Bodhraj came, he went straight to the godown. As usual, he had his catapult with him. He noticed that near the ventilator there was a myna's nest. The myna's little ones are up there, said Bodhraj, aiming with his catapult. I noticed two tiny yellow beaks peeping out of the nest. Bodhraj raised his catapult and fitted a pebble in it. I wanted to stop it. Okay children, this is our today's reading part. So you have to read once it again. Okay? Okay. Dear children, let's know the new words and their meanings. Excellent. Very good. Of high quality. Example, Bodhraj was an excellent shooter. Pebble. A small, smooth, round stone. Example, catapult used for shooting pebbles. Outskirts. The parts of city that are farthest from the center. Example, my friend built a new house on the outskirts of Hyderabad. Go down, a warehouse. Aim, the action of pointing particular place or thing. Example, Bodras aimed at bird with his catapult. Peeping, looking curiously. Example, I saw her peeping through the curtains. Okay, dear students, read the following words. These are the names of young ones of animals, birds we know. Choosing from the above box, filling the blanks. Eaglet, gosling, cube, owlet, chick, piglet, kid, lamb, puppy, kitten, duckling and calf. Commonly, the young ones of birds are called as chicks. Now let us fill the following blanks. The young one of cat is a kitten. The young one of a dog is a puppy. Very good. The young one of a tiger is a cub. Very good. Eagle is a eaglet. Very good. Goat is a kid. Hen is a chick. Owl is an owlet. Pig is a piglet. Cow is a calf. Sheep is a lamb. Goose is a gosling. Finally, the young one of a duck is a duckling. Okay, children, these are the names of young ones of animals, birds we know. You should remember. And complete the online H5P test quiz. Okay, dear students, all the best. Hope to see you in the next session. Goodbye. Take care.